We are going to see how to activate a license on the GESVATEC labeling software. First of all, you need to open the labeling software. Once you are in the main screen, choose the option Activation Wizard. Then choose Activate GESVATEC. You need two things. User, it's the one you should have received from the GESVATEC support team by email. PKC is a product key code of 25 characters that you can find in your private area in the licensing menu on the GESVATEC web app. After this, click on the confirmation button and finally the license will be activated. If there is more than one PKC in the licensing menu, you should use the one that is assigned to the packing house where you want to activate the license. Remember that each PKC can only be activated on a single PC. If you have any doubt regarding the activation process, please visit our help center in the GESVATEC.com web app.